can catch up with these.
The vaccine is free, but the cost of COVID-19 can hit your pocketbook. Millions of Americans and thousands across the valley are expected to face medical debt.
That's right, and Fox 5's Kim Passoff is live at UNLV's mass testing and vaccination site. And Kim, you spoke with a COVID survivor who is now battling the long-term effects physically as well as financially.
Yeah, that's right, Joe. He says that the vaccine was not available when he got sick. Tonight at this mass vaccination and testing site, the vaccines are being given out for free. And he says he would have gladly gotten a vaccine if it would have prevented his mountain of medical bills.
It's all this. It's all this.
The medical bills continue to come in.
Yeah, it's kind of ridiculous. Like they send me a bill like every week. And you're looking at like from $25 to $80 to $1,000 to a few thousand. And then the biggest bill that I got was $77,000.
$77,000 is just one bill for part of Kenneth Fuchigami's hospital stay. He got sick back in December after his wife had a mild case of COVID.
I told her that I was going to give her a kiss goodbye. And she's like, you shouldn't because you're going to get it. And I didn't believe in it. So I gave her a kiss anyway.
Within a week, the amateur bodybuilder could not breathe.
I felt like I was breathing through a straw. And she took me to the emergency room and I barely made it through the doors.
He was in the ICU for nearly a month.
Then I kind of felt hopeless because nobody would give me any updates on anything.
COVID damaged his lungs. 7 months later, he still needs supplemental oxygen 24/7. The former Margaritaville security guard, someone who prided themselves on their strength, now is in the worst shape of his life.
I can't walk normally anymore. Like just a normal walk, I feel like my lungs are going to explode.
He is trying to hold on to hope, but that's hard most days.
It's like nothing's getting better. I just feel like I'm permanently this way.
He can't work because of his health. His unemployment has just run out. He can barely pay his rent, and bill collectors keep calling.
They would ask if I could pay, and I'd be like, what's the lowest amount that I can pay for my bills? And they're like, oh, well, being that you're close to 100,000, about 7,000 a month. And I started laughing because like, I don't even have a job and unemployment doesn't even help me anymore.
It hurt us in so many different ways.
Denise Fernandez's husband, 49-year-old Eric Sotatani, who worked at a hotel on the Strip, died alone after 13 days in the hospital on what would have been their 23rd wedding anniversary. His hospital bill, $309,000. With $289,000 covered by insurance, the family still owes $20,000. Kenneth says it is humbling. The true cost of COVID, financially, physically, and emotionally, is more than he could have ever imagined.
I've just been hoping that God helps me get better so I can just go back to work and not have to ask anybody for anything.
So Kenneth does have a GoFundMe account hoping to raise some money from friends, family, and strangers. You can find a link on our website, that is fox5vegas.com. And coming up at 10:30, we will tell you more about this mass testing and vaccination site now in its second night. For now, reporting live at UNLV, Kim Passoff, Fox 5 News, local, Las Vegas.